my name is Sandra, my channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing alright? Yeah? You sure? You sure? Alright, good. Glad to hear it. Okay, so this evening I'm going to be doing a couple of videos. So the first one is going to be the Liberty London Beauty Drop Box. Now, for those of you who aren't aware of this one, this is a beauty box that has been created by Liberty, you know, the big fancy very high-end department store in the West End. So it's in London. I think it's Knightsbridge area. Pretty certain it's Knightsbridge area. Everything high-end is in the Knightsbridge area. Or is it? Or was it just more West End? Anyway, it's West Endish. It's up there. Anyway, so Liberties, they have created this thing called a beauty drop, and that means is every month you can pay £25 to Liberty London. Out of that £25, is it every? Yeah, it's out of that £25. £5 is, I don't know, postage packaging, something like that. But £20 goes into it's like a savings account for beauty things. It's a very unique idea, but I actually quite enjoy it. So every month you're doing this £20. So over the year, it's £240 you're putting into this account, and then you can use that to buy whatever you want from Liberty London, which is just as well, because most of the things Liberty sell they're a bit on the expensive side. It is that high-end market. Yeah, it's not your Asda or your Sainsbury's. It's up there. It's very much up there. So you know you're gonna. I can't even think. It's like you buy a pair of shoes. You might expect to pay, I don't know, £50, £60 for a pair of shoes from, I don't know, a normal department store. In Liberties, it's going to cost you, I don't know, £800, £1,500 for a pair of shoes. It's that kind of market, that kind of clientele. So it's worthwhile sort of putting money aside each month, in my opinion, to treat yourself to something. And what I tend to do with the money each year, I use it to get my advent calendar, because the advent calendar usually costs sort of it's about £260, £270. So usually by the end of the year, I've got sort of at least £240 to put towards it. They normally give a discount in the advent calendar for early access, so that will bring the price down to say £250 or something like that, and then I can just get my calendar, and I might pay an extra £5, £10 just extra to get the calendar. So for me it's always worthwhile. But what they also do, if you do this, sign up for this beauty drop, they will send you a little beauty box, or just like a sample of a few of the things they're selling in the store, and they do that 4 times a year. And it's time now for, I'd call it the spring beauty drop. So this is what I've got here. So it's just a little bonus that you get from Liberties when you've got this beauty drop account. So this is what it comes in, box like that. This came earlier on this week. I think it came something like Tuesday, I want to say. Came something like Tuesday, but again, because I'm working, it's very late. The only time I get to do these things is at the weekend to do my videos. So here I am doing a video on a Saturday evening. So let's have a look and see what we've got in this spring. I'm going to call it spring. I'm seeing a couple of brands I recognise. Yeah, let's have a look and see what we've got in this spring beauty drop from Liberty London. Can you see that? It's looking interesting, isn't it? Yep, can you see that? Alright, okay. Let's have a little poke through, see what we've got. Is there a card? There should be some information in here. No information. That's unusual. That's very unusual. Just hold on right there. There's usually a QR code or something where I can get the information on the product, but there isn't one in the box today. Okay, so what they're saying on the Liberty website is our April edition focuses on head-to-toe rituals, embracing the quieter moments at the end of the day and how you care for yourself, alongside spring-summer fragrances to discover. So there's always a Liberty London fragrance of some sort. They're very big on fragrances, Liberties. Alright, so let's start. So we've got the first item is called the Overnight Wonder Worker from a brand called Amoravica. I haven't seen Amoravica in a beauty box in years. So this is the Amoravica. They're a Hungarian brand, really decent quality products. So this is the Amoravica Rejuvenating Night Cream and it's 10 mils. Oh, wonderful. Perfect, perfect. So this is that. So Amoravica Budapest, got 10 mils here and it's rich and buttery. This nourishing treatment is just the thing for a skin seeking a spring reset with hazelnut peptides, colloidal gold, amidas and sodium hyaluronate, all featuring on the ingredient list. It's a formula that's as opulent as it is effective. Apply before you drift off at night and you'll wake up to hydrated, soothed and radiant feeling skin. So yeah, cool. Does it say how much the full size is? It doesn't say how much the full size is. So what I'll do, when I do the editing later on, I'll see if I can find a full size of this and put the price up on the screen. There is a really bad shadow today on me, haven't I? I really haven't placed my ring. I don't know what I've done since I had the bathroom done and the guy came around to do all the radiators. My ring light has not been placed correctly and I cannot remember how I had it originally, because it's just really annoying me that I'm having all this shadow here. It's not good. But anyway, that's the first item. So let's go back and do the next. Right, next we've got the Helping Hand. Oh, this is a full-size item. Oh, this is wonderful, from Grown Alchemist. This is a brand I'm very familiar with. So this is the Grown Alchemist Rich Restorative Hand Cream. I'm all about that because I'm actually low on hand creams at the moment, which is shocking. And this brand normally delivers pretty well for me, so I'm hoping this is going to be a really nice, rich hand cream. So the Helping Hand is Grown Alchemist Rich Restorative Hand Cream, 65 mils, clearly full size. If you ask us, a stellar hand cream might just be the most sophisticated addition to your handbag. This delightfully scented option from the Antipodean experts at Grown Alchemist is rich enough to nourish even the most chapped off hands, thanks to its combination of argan oil, rosehip oil and sea buckthorn oil. Okay, I want to see, because my hands, even though I have put hand cream on, it still feels dry. But the hand cream I'm using is the, what's it called? Is it Michelin Peach? Michelin something? Michelin Peach, I think it's called. Which it's a nice enough hand cream, but it's not very rich. It's very short-lived. So this has got a yellowy tint to it. It's not very thick, so I'm hoping it is going to be rich. Let's see. Okay, it smells okay. Oh no, this is fine. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh, this is just what I want. Yeah, that's what I want in a hand cream. Something like that. It leaves my hands feeling soft, not greasy, just moisturised. Yes. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Right, very pleased about that. So that's cool. Alright. Next, we have got your Sophisticated Spring Spritz. So this is Liberty, it's a Liberty London fragrance. I'm assuming that's this. Oh, it's a Bibi. Is it a Bibi? No, it's this. It's this one. Liberty fragrance Tana Meadow Eau de Parfum, and it's 1.5 mils. Okay. Think of Tana Meadow as a summer dream in a scent. This soft sunlit musk is packed to the brim with notes of citrus, cypress, amber, vanilla and praline. So I like the idea of the amber, vanilla and praline, meaning it's summer scent, but not as you know it. Take in its olfactive notes from Liberty's signature Tana Lawn Cotton. It's the perfect way to add a carefree mood to your day. Alright, let's try this on. I read that so badly, so I hope you followed. that. It's end of the day, guys. My communication skills are kind of out the window. I'm tired. Right, let's have a look. Right, I can smell the hand cream. Right, let's put this on. Right, that's plenty. So we'll leave that. Oh, actually it smells nice. Initial note smells very warm, which is what I like. Actually, it smells very nice. Let me leave that to settle, but that does smell nice. I think that's one of the few fragrances from Liberty London that I've actually instantly liked. You know, not just, yes, okay, I'll wear it. It's actually like. Right, let's do the next one. Okay, then we've also got another scent here, and this is from Bibi. I don't think I've liked any fragrance from Bibi, but we'll see. So this is the Bibi Perfume Swimming Pool. So is it going to smell like chlorine? Eau de Parfum, and we've got 2 mils here. Right, let's see what they're saying. Dive on into Bibi's aquatic aroma, beloved for their immersive scents and esoteric inspirations. The brand brings a sensuous summer swim to line with notes of eucalyptus, menthe and ginger. Oh, come on now, that sounds like medicine. Said by founder Steen Seagal to be inspired by a natural swimming pool somewhere in the south of Italy, believed to have healing powers. What could be better? What could be better? A fragrance that doesn't smell like a tea, a tea bag or medicine. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. I mean, it's literally called swimming pool. Nothing about that sounds attractive to me, but let me not judge. Let me not judge. I almost don't want to spray it because this one smells so lovely, this other one, but I'm just going to do one scent. Okay, that's enough. Oh no. Oh no, I'm smelling the mint. In a perfume? No. Oh God, no. Oh dear. What are they thinking? Honestly, this brand Bibi, I mean, we get it all the time in Liberties, in advent calendars, in the beauty drop boxes, and there's not one I have liked. It's like, oh dear. I mean, somebody else might like it, but not for me, darling. Not for me at all. Oh dear. Right, next we have got Margaret Dav. This is the one I instantly saw. The next 2 brands I recognise immediately as soon as I saw the packaging. So this one is Margaret Dav. She's like a foot care queen. A sandal season saviour. Margaret Dav's Miracle Foot Cream. Oh, I've actually got a big full tub of this upstairs. So I know this is good. It's 45 mils, so that's plenty actually. An unlikely showstopper, perhaps, but trust us. Once you've applied this treat to your trotters, don't call your feet trotters. That's pig feet, man. Anyway, once you've applied this treat to your trotters, you'll never sleep on foot cream again. Not only does this cream leave skin hydrated, soothed, renewed and protected just in time for sandals and peep toe occasion, it also helps to combat a whole realm of petty problems we're too delicate to mention, but we're sure you'll understand. Yeah, we'll understand. Okay, so you warm a small amount of cream in your hands and apply it all over your feet and nails before you go to bed at night. Use it daily for 2 weeks and as necessary thereafter to combat any further flare-ups. Wash your hands after use. Yeah, I'll definitely be using this. Margaret Dav's foot products, they're not cheap, but they're really good and they're long-lasting, so I'm really pleased with that. Well, so far I am really happy with the hand cream, the night cream. This perfume is kind of kicking it right now. It's really nice. It's really nice. I really like it and I'm happy about that. But to spoil things, we've got this. Good old Philip Kingsley. It better not be an elasticizer. Let me have a look, see what we got. Right, so we have got the ultimate hair icon Philip Kingsley elasticizer. 40 mils, my word. If I don't receive at least 2 elasticizers every year, there's something very seriously wrong. Okay, so Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. It wouldn't be a top-to-toe treat if we didn't include our ultimate hair icon with hydrolyzed elastin, castor oil, olive oil and glycerine. If you haven't tried it yet, you're about to find out what the fuss is about. Plus, this handy travel size version is perfect for taking away with you if you're traveling for weddings, long weekends or far-flung getaways. It is a good product. It is really good. It's just I get a lot of it in a year. I don't need to buy it anymore because I get so many in boxes each year. Apply before shampooing, so it's like a pre-shampoo. Put it in your hair. I was damping my hair a little bit and then I put it on and I'll sleep in it. So it's almost like a pre-shampoo to like pre-condition your hair. Then you shampoo your hair and whatever. But I also use it to boost up my conditioner if I'm doing a deep conditioner as well. So, you know, it's a good product. You won't go wrong with it. It's a very, very good product. So apply before shampooing, dampen your hair with water and apply liberally in sections to your mid-lengths and ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap or a towel. Leave for a minimum of 20 minutes, or in my case overnight. There's no maximum time. You can even sleep with it on. There you go. I think they've picked that up from black people because they know we're sleeping in it. Rinse as thoroughly, then shampoo and condition as normal. Those with fine hair should shampoo twice. Yeah, definitely. It's a good product. But if you have got fine hair, yeah, definitely shampoo it out, because if you've got fine hair, and especially if you've got European style hair, sort of type 1, type 2 hair, you'll have to wash it out because it will weigh your hair down. But it's a good product. I actually think this Liberty London box is really good. I like everything in this box apart from this blah blah. But I'll ignore that. But everything else is kind of kicking. So for me, everything is a big thumbs up, and this I'm just going to leave outside because it's nasty. It's straight up nasty. But yeah, it's a really, really good box. If you've received it, I'd love to know what you think. But I'm seriously considering getting this perfume because it's gorgeous. It's really nice. I want to smell like this. This is lovely. I'm going to look and see how much it is, and I'll probably scream and cry. But I think I'm going to be treating myself to this perfume. As long as it's not over, what would be reasonable? For a good quality perfume, I think £1,800. As long as it's not over that. I don't even want to spend that much, but I might use some of my beauty credit to pick it up. That's how much I'm liking it, guys. I'm really liking it. Anyway, guys, take care. See you soon. You'll see me very soon because I'm going to be doing another video in a bit. Alright.